you have decided to remodel your kitchen or at least make some small changes, we have an amazing list of kitchen remodeling idea for you. Even small makeover may change the look of your kitchen immensely. Let's clear out one thing right at the beginning. Whether you live with a family or by yourself, the kitchen is the busiest space in our house. It is perfectly understandable as to why just life kitchen design also needs a breath of fresh air or simply a cost of fresh paint. But of course, a kitchen makeover is much more than that. Let us understand what exactly you need to change and how you can manage a complete kitchen makeover. Wondering how much will your kitchen remodels cost? I am going to talk about all in this video. Watch the video till end to get the most useful tip. Let's not delay, we will get into a video. Before that, please like, share and comment and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates. Hi, this is Yoga, your interior design mentor from ITI. Intelligence in new luxe appliances. Appliances are the most important aspect of the kitchen. They are the instrument that get things done. However, aging appliances can drain your pocket and reduce efficiency, so it is always a good choice to update them. Very few years, but of course, that does not apply to all appliances in the kitchen. In general, remember the latest appliances are not only for efficient, but they are also more beautiful to look at. That's it to the prioritized from over function. Remember, appliances are long-term investment. If you are planning to sell the property, check with the local property agents to confirm whether investing in new appliances will fetch you a higher price for the property. Of course, if you plan to continue staying at the home, then the investment made in appliances will improve the kitchen's efficiency and performance. Not only have the new age appliances changed in how they can use, but they have also changed in the way they look too. In order to truly enjoy your finished kitchen remodeling, ditch that 25 years old refrigerator and opt for a stylish sleek one that matches the decor and theme of your kitchen. Try open shelving, gone all the days when the sight of your cluttery in the open could invite the frown from your investing guest. In fact, more and more people are opening up to the idea of open shelving. If you are looking to contrast your new kitchen from the old one and add a sense of largeness to your space, you should definitely try open shelving. The best part about it is that there are so many ways to play around with it and to be creative. You could for a wide open shelving to highlight the wallpaper or the painting, or you could even mix and match with the cabinetry. Customize it with a hook to hang stuff or opt for fancy boxes and baskets to add a touch for sophistication. Under cabinetry, lights are highly recommended for kitchen looking to add a bit of X factor. There are a lot of kitchen open shelves ideas that can overhaul the look of your kitchen as well as add an functionality. Embarrass contrast on the granite countertop against white wood cabinet. If you are looking for kitchen remodeling idea, you can't miss the most sophisticated trend of all of this decade. Solid countertop with contrasting cabinetry for a contemporary kitchen. You should consider going the granite way and opt for the horn finish instead of regular polished one. The matte finish of this durable stone adds an ultra-modern touch to the kitchen without the excessive reflection. Besides the evergreen black, brown and beiges, the finish also allows you to opt for exotic red and blue color. Should you want to add a bit of color of your kitchen, contrast the theme and color of the slab with the plainness of white oak cabinet to add an unrevealed touch of class. The number of kitchen countertop idea is as many the types of countertop, be it natural stones like granite and marble. Stick to one splurge. new marble countertop, one of the most executive natural stone known to mankind. Marble is a godsend for those looking to take a detour from the boldness of granite countertop. Aesthetically pleasing and available in countless variety. There is a reason marble has so much significance even historically. If you are going for sophistication, meet your best friend. Marble topper count is concerned can be minimized with the use of polished finish. Although we love the idea of on finish in the modern kitchen, the best part is undoubtedly the cost efficientness though. If you are on the budget and still want something that embroidered classes, marble is definitely what you are looking for. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.